Hello everyone, once again, this is Sir O, your teacher in this session. Thank you nga pala at napadpad ulit kayo sa aking munting classroom. At syempre po, kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, pwede nyo pong bisitahin ang aking YouTube channel na Sir O at pwede nyong mapuntahan ang ating video section upang makita nyo po ang lahat ng mga video tutorial ko pong nagawa lalong-lalo na para makatulong po sa inyong pag-aaral. At huwag nyo na rin pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Free po ang pag-subscribe, wala pong bayad. I will really appreciate po kasi malaking tulong po yun sa akin. Kalimbangin nyo na din po yung ating notification bell. Click all para po ma-update kayo sa mga susunod ko pang mga tutorial. So in this session, what we are going to talk is all about how to divide polynomials using the long division method. Now, for us to appreciate this method, let us have an example. For example, we are asked to divide 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4 by x minus 3. So if you notice, the given polynomials divided by another polynomial. So for us to divide this one, of course, let's start with the dividend, which is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4. Of course, to be divided by our divisor, which is x minus 3. So what you're going to do first is we are going to divide 2x cubed by x. So that is 2x cubed divided by x. Of course, that is equivalent to 2x squared. So our first quotient is of course 2x squared. If you notice guys, I aligned x squared by its x squared. So after this, we will multiply 2x squared by x. That is of course 2x cubed. Then we will multiply 2x squared by negative 3. Of course, that is negative 6x squared. And after that, we will subtract them. Okay, I want you to remember that the first operation is division, followed by multiplication, and then followed by subtraction. All right. So if you notice, so this is subtraction, so we will change the sign of the subtrahend. So positive 2x cubed becomes negative 2x cubed, and this negative 6x squared becomes positive 6x squared. So 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is of course 0. And this one becomes positive, so 6x squared minus 3x squared is positive 3x squared. And after that, we will bring down negative x, which is the next term. So we will go back again to our first step. Again, remember, divide, multiply, and subtract. So let's start with division again. So we will divide 3x squared by x. Of course, that is 3x squared divided x is equal to 3x. So we have positive 3x. And after that, we will multiply 3x by x again. So 3x times x is positive 3x squared. And 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. Okay? So after that, we will subtract them. So 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. And negative x, this negative becomes positive. So that is 8x. Then we will bring down 4. So we will go back again by dividing 8x by x. Of course, that is 8x divided x. That is equivalent to 8. And after that, we will multiply positive 8 and x. And 8 times x is of course 8x. And 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Then we will subtract them again. 8x minus 8x is of course 0. And 4, this negative becomes positive, so that is 28. And if you notice, we cannot divide anymore 28 by x minus 3. So 28 is our remainder. So therefore, if you are going to divide a polynomial by another polynomial like this, so that is equivalent to 2x squared plus 3x plus 8, that is the quotient, plus, of course, the remainder, 28, divided by the divisor, which is x minus 3. So our final answer is 2x squared plus 3x plus 8 plus 28, which is the remainder all over x minus 3. So if you have some questions, I will be happy to answer them. Just write it in the comment section. So let us have another example for us to understand this properly. Now, of course, we are asked to divide a polynomial 2x4 minus 4x minus 16 divided by x plus 2. So for us to divide this one, what we are going to do is we will copy first 2x4 and next is supposedly negative 4x. But you have to remember, guys, that polynomial, in division of polynomial by polynomial, you have to take note that the polynomial should be in descending order. Now, if you notice here, x to the fourth, supposedly what is next is x cubed, but x cubed is missing. So what you are going to do is we add 0x cubed. Next is supposedly the quadratic term because this is the linear term, right? So we will replace that one by 0x squared. Then we have negative 4x minus 16 divided by with our divisor, which is x plus 2. So I hope this is clear for everyone. So the first step is we will divide 2x to the power of 4 divided by x. Of course, that is 2x to the power of 4 divide x, that is 2x cubed. And after that, we will multiply 2x cubed by x. And 2x cubed times x is 2x to the power of 4. And 2x to the power of 3 times 2 is positive 4x cubed. Again, if you notice, I align the terms with the same exponent. That is very important to take note. Okay, after this, after multiplying, we will now subtract them. So 2x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 4, that is 0. And this positive will be changed to negative. So negative 4x cubed plus 0x cubed is, of course, negative 4x cubed. Then we will bring down 0x squared. And after this, we will go back again to our very first step, which is we will divide. Of course, that is negative 4x cubed over x is equal to negative 4x squared. So we have negative 4x squared as our quotient. And after this, we are going to multiply again negative 4x squared by x. That is, of course, negative 4x cubed. And negative 4x squared times 2 is negative 8x squared. Then we will subtract them. So this negative sign will be changed to positive. So this will be all positive already. So negative 4x cubed plus positive 4x cubed is 0. And 0x squared, this negative becomes positive, isn't it? So plus 8x squared, that is 8x squared. So next would be we will bring down negative 4x. So we will go back again to our first step by dividing 8x squared by x. So that is 8x squared divided x is equal to 8x. So we have 8x here as our quotient. And after that, we will multiply 8x by x. So that is 8x squared. 8x times 2 is positive 16x. So we will subtract them now. So we have 8x squared minus 8x squared is 0. And negative 4x minus 16x is negative 20x. And after that, we will bring down negative 16. And we will be going back to our first step again by dividing negative 20x by x. And of course, that is negative 20 over x is equal to negative 20. So our quotient here is negative 20. After that, we will multiply negative 20 again by x. So negative 20 times x is negative 20x. And negative 20 times 2 is, of course, negative 40. Then we will subtract them. So we will be changing the sign here. Negative becomes positive. So negative 20x plus 20x is 0. And negative 16 plus positive 40 is, of course, positive 24. So if you notice, 24 and divided by x plus 2 is cannot be, so that 24 is our remainder. So therefore, 2x to the power 4 minus 4x minus 16 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 8x minus 20 plus the remainder, which is 24, divided by the divisor, which is x plus 2. So therefore, our final answer is this one. So I hope you can give a like to this video and kindly share this for others, for them also to learn like what you did in this session. So please don't forget also to subscribe to my channel and please click that notification bell for you to be updated with my next session. Thank you so much.